Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you the top tricks of the Mifa A1 AliExpress speaker. So, and the first top trick is that here at the back of our speaker we have multiple connecting modes. Here we have the Bluetooth, of course, which is because it's wireless. Here we do have the microSD card up to 32 gigabytes, and here we do have the jack cable. It's really useful when we are outside without the internet connection and we don't really want to use our battery from our phone. Apart from that, here we do have nice little stickies, and here, as you can see, we can place that, and now we have to just use some strength to take it from the desk. And the final part is that we have here at the back of our speaker we have the charging port, which is the microSD, and everybody does have the microSD cable. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.